Morning, students. Now we are going to see about the example program in selection sort by using a Python language. In that selection sort, first of all, you have to create the array. Create the array. The array contains a many number of elements. Create array. It contains a many number of elements. In that, you have to create a my list. Create a my list. Create a one list called the name my list. The my list contains the element 64, 34, 25, 5, 22, 11, 19, and then 12. These are the elements which are present in the list name my list. The list will be created by using a square bracket. And open square bracket, close bracket. In that we can contain the number of elements. This is the first step on creating a my list. In that list, we have to sort the element in that ascending order. Sort the element in the ascending order. This is an example program. First of all, we have to find the length of the list. Length of the list by using a length function. Length is a built-in function which is used to find the length of the given list. Clear? Upon length equal to my list length. Length of the my list. That will be stored in a one variable n. That is n equal to length of my list. And length value will be stored in that variable n. For each and every value, we have to check the following process. In that process, we have to follow the two loops. One is a I loop and then j loop. The I loop is a range from 1 to that is I to n minus 1. I loop will be range from 1 to 1 or I to n minus 1. Next j loop will be a range from j loop will be a range from j to that is I plus 1. I plus 1 to n. I plus 1 to n. This is 64 to 12 is a one loop. Again 34 to 12 is another loop. This is two different loop. In that for I is a variable. This is syntax for a for loop. For I in range. Range is a keyword for specifying the which number is going to be processed up to that element. We have to specify up to that element. Follow the for loop. For I in range of n minus 1 followed by colon. This is syntax for loop. The I value is, for example, 1 means 1 to n minus 1. The loop will be executed. Next, initialize the minimum index value. In that sorting algorithm, index value will be maintained. The index value, minimum index value, that is 64. Minimum index value is 0. The 0 value will be initialized I. 0 to n minus 1, minimum index value is I. That is, next for j in range of I plus 1 to n. I plus 1, 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1 to n. 1 to n is for j in range of 1 to n. For I in range of n minus 1. This is two loops. In that loop, check the condition for my list of j is less than condition. My list of j less than my list of minimum index. That is minimum index is first of all compare the smallest value. Smallest value is a minimum index. Smallest value is a minimum index. The minimum index value is less than or equal to my list of j. If it is satisfied means initialize min index equal to j. Initialize min index equal to j. Minimum value remove that element. This is two array. First one is find the minimum element. If for example on the 12, 7, 9, so 3, 11. This is array. In that minimum element is 3. But 3 will be moved to the front of that array. The remaining will be one array. This is minimum index value. Minimum index value equal to j. Remaining values on the another array. Okay, but the 3 is compared to the in that remaining element. Again check the 7, 9. So 7, 9 will be that is minimum element. If it is minimum element, place to the front of that array. Place to the front of that array. That is in that two array ல one array வந்து remove பண்றோம், element வந்து store பண்ணும்போது remove பண்றோம், another இதுல வந்து என்ன சொல்றோம், empty பண்ணிரோம். These are the conditions. சரியா? first one வந்து insert, first array ல வந்து insert பண்ணனும், second array ல remove பண்ணனும். if it is a minimum value வந்து இங்க ஸ்டோர் ஆயிடும், minimum value இங்க ஸ்டோர் ஆயிடும், minimum value ஸ்டோர் ஆனதா அடுத்த array ல வந்து remove பண்றோம். இத கண்டிஷன். சரியா? அப்ப minus dot pop, remove that element at the remove that element, minimum index value will be removed. remove பண்ண value வந்து minus dot insert of I comma minimum index value, I comma minimum index value. அப்புறம் print my list will be updated. Okay, in this process, first one create the list, my list. Second one, find the length of the list. After that, you have to set the two loops, I loop 1 and j loop 1. I loop வந்து will set the condition I to n minus 1. J loop வந்து will set the condition I plus 1 to n. I plus 1 to n. These are the two array, two loop or two array. First, minimum index value set, minimum index value I. Find the minimum index value on the I. Each and every element of my list of j is less than or equal to my list of minimum index. If it is satisfied, minimum index value satisfy இருந்தது அப்படின்னா minimum index equal to j. Otherwise, minimum value is a my list of pop of min index, my list of insert of I comma min value. That is, the minimum value will be stored in that one array. That is, the list will be inserted. Another array will be deleted. I loop is a one array, j loop is a one array. சரியா? And then print the element into that array, my list.